Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are looking at a classic and nostalgic smartphone, the Nokia Lumia 500. Even in 2026, this phone is still remembered by fans of the Lumia series for its simple yet stylish design and reliable performance. Starting with the design, the Lumia 500 features a compact and ergonomic body made of durable polycarbonate. The curved edges make it comfortable to hold, and the lightweight design allows for easy one-handed use. The phone comes in bright and stylish colors, reflecting Nokia's unique design approach during the Lumia era. The display is clear and bright, perfect for basic smartphone tasks. It may not match modern AMOLED or OLED screens, but the Lumia 500 screen still provides good colors and sharp visuals for reading messages, browsing apps, and watching videos. The viewing angles are decent, and it performs well in indoor lighting conditions. When it comes to performance, the Lumia 500 delivers smooth experience for basic tasks. Calls, messaging, music, and light apps work without lag. The Windows Phone OS interface is simple, organized, and responsive, which helps the device feel fast even after years of release. The camera on the Lumia 500 is decent for casual photography. Daytime photos are clear with natural colors. While it doesn't offer modern features like night mode or AI photography, it still works well for everyday use, scanning documents, or sharing photos on social media. Battery life is one of the Lumia 500's strongest points. Thanks to its optimized software and low power consumption, it easily lasts a full day under normal usage. Light users can even stretch it beyond a day, which is impressive for a phone of its age. Now let's talk about the software experience. The Lumia 500 runs a clean and minimalistic interface. There are no unnecessary apps or heavy animations, making the phone stable and responsive. For users who prefer simplicity and reliability, this is a huge advantage. So, the big question is the Nokia Lumia 500 still worth it in 2026? If you are looking for a modern phone with heavy gaming, apps, and AI features, the Lumia 500 is not for you. But if you want a reliable secondary phone, classic Nokia experience, or a simple device for calls and messaging, the Lumia 500 is still a great option. Overall, the Nokia Lumia 500 represents an era where phones were simple, durable, and functional. It still holds value today as a nostalgic device with practical use. If you like this detailed review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for daily mobile reviews, unboxings, and tech content. Stay tuned for more powerful reviews and mobile updates.